Hello, world. My name is Darren Martineau, and I am a marketer and an entrepreneur. In this video, I'm going to explain to you a little bit about what the Freedom Funnel is. Okay, so the Freedom Funnel is a way that you can make money online, and we're going to show you our best affiliate marketing programs. We're going to have you can clone our system, you can copy our system, and we're going to show you how to generate multiple streams of income, create how to build your email list, so much more. So if you like to save money and make money at the same time, okay, you're going to see what our program is all about. So if you click the link, put in your name and email, we're going to take you to the Freedom Funnel page. On the Freedom Funnel page, we're going to explain the different programs. You're going to go through, we're going to explain the system in detail. What it's all about is you're going to be saving money, you're going to be making money. We have ways to lower your bills. We have all kinds of incredible things. We have the best marketing tools, the best affiliate marketing programs, and we have so much more. So what I'd like you to do is click on the link, join the Freedom Funnel, and we'll see you on the other side. Thank you.